So this is called otolith. And these are called semicircular canals. That's called semicircular canals. So I'll explain slowly. This is the most complicated part I told you. So I'll explain and you try to understand carefully here. And what are the three? The three of them, and one is a cochlea. And the second one is vestibular apparatus. And the vestibular apparatus again consists of what? Yes, okay. Vestibular apparatus consists of two organs, namely semicircular canals and otoliths. So these three, 1, 2, 3, these are semicircular canals, and this is said to be otolith. Okay, cochlea, otolith, semicircular canals. Again, cochlea, otolith, and semicircular canals. Okay. Now we try to see, yes, cochlea. One by one we try to see here, and the first one we see is cochlea. So among the two of them, yes, the first one is called cochlea, is it? And what is cochlea? Cochlea is a coiled spring-like structure. Cochlea is a coiled spring-like tube. Coiled spring-like tube. This coiled spring-like tube is called a cochlea. So this is a coiled spring-like tube, and this coiled spring-like tube, and this is what is called the cochlea. Okay. And this cochlea, yes, actually consists of both the bony labyrinth as well as the membranous labyrinth. And inside, you can see now if you observe carefully, here you can see three tubes. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. So this is bony labyrinth. Bony labyrinth is divided into three chambers by means of two membranes. So therefore, what if I use the bony labyrinth of the cochlea? Bony labyrinth of the cochlea is there consists of two membranes. Consists of two membranes. And what are these two membranes? Number one is called Reisner's membrane. So there are two membranes are being formed here, and the two membranes that can be seen. Yes, so the cochlea is bony labyrinth of the cochlea consists of two membranes, and the names of the two membranes, and one is called Reisner's. Reisner's membrane, and the second one is called basilar membrane. Second one is called basilar membrane. Reisner's membrane and basilar membrane. So inside you see this cochlea, I've drawn two lines. Isn't? These two lines are the two membranes. The two membranes are named as, one is a Reisner's membrane, another one is a basilar membrane. Isn't? So for better understanding, what we do is, in case you take this cochlea and pull it. You take the cochlea and pull it, and if you pull the cochlea, it becomes straight. If you pull the cochlea, it becomes straight. Is it? And when the cochlea becomes straight, now you try to see. If the cochlea becomes straight, then you can see. Yes. Now you look at this one, this is cochlea, and I pull the cochlea so that it becomes straight. And when it became straight, and you can see the bony labyrinth of the entire cochlea consists of two membranes. You can see these two membranes, and this membrane is called Reisner's membrane. What is one? Reisner's membrane. And this is called by name basilar membrane. Reisner's membrane and also basilar membrane. As it is, you see, this is oval window, this is round window. This is oval window and this is round window. Oval window and this is round window. Then this is entire cochlea. The entire cochlea will have two membranes, Reisner's membrane and basilar membrane. Now, what do you understand by this diagram? Reisner's membrane and basilar membrane, they divide the cochlea into three channels or three tubes, and number one and number two, number three. So therefore, what do you find? The membranes divide the membranes divide cochlea into, divide the bony labyrinth into three tubes. And what are the three tubes here? An upper tube is called the scala vestibuli. That is called scala vestibuli. And the middle tube is called the scala media. The middle one is called scala media. And then followed by is the lower one. Is that? The lower tube is called the scala tympani. Scala tympani. Is it? Understand? Now you can see these two Reisner's membrane. Is it? Again, carefully. I'm telling you very slowly. This is very complicated. Is it? This entire one is bony labyrinth, and these two are membranes in the bony labyrinth. These two are membranes in the bony labyrinth, which divide the bony labyrinth into three tubes. The three tubes are one upper one, and second one middle one, and third one is the lower one. Yes, upper one, middle one, and lower. Upper one, middle one, and lower. Out of that, upper one is called scala vestibuli, and middle one is called scala media, and the lower one is called scala tympani. Scala tympani. So out of these three, yes, upper one is called scala vestibuli, middle one is called scala media, and the inner one, the lower one, is called scala tympani. Scala tympani, is it? Out of them, the scala media. So what are the scala media that is present? And this is only the membranous part of the labyrinth, is it? Membranous labyrinth. So therefore, the scala media is also called the membranous labyrinth. This is the membranous labyrinth of the cochlea. That means this part is bony labyrinth, this part is bony labyrinth, this is membranous labyrinth. Bony membranes. How do you get that? Because the bony labyrinth is divided by two membranes. The two membranes divide the bony labyrinth, so that leaving a middle membranous labyrinth. That middle membranous labyrinth is called scala media. What do you call that? Scala media. Again, what are the three? Upper one scala vestibuli, middle one is scala media, and inner one is called scala tympani. Now, out of them, the scala media is filled with a fluid. So, scala vestibuli is filled with a fluid. This is filled with a fluid. Scala tympani also is filled with a fluid. Is also filled with a fluid. And now, yes, the middle one is scala media, and scala media is also filled with another fluid. That is also filled with another fluid. Is it? Yes. Now you understand these three of them. What is one? Scala vestibuli is a bony labyrinth or membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth. Scala tympani is bony labyrinth or membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth. And scala media is bony or membranous, and then said to be membranous labyrinth. Is it? That's a membranous labyrinth. Okay. Now, if these are the parts of the cochlea. What are three tubes of the cochlea? Is number one. The three parts of the cochlea. Number one, and that is scala vestibuli, scala media, and scala tympani. Scala vestibuli, scala media, scala tympani, and there are two membranes are present. Resinous membrane and also basilar membrane. Is it? Yes. Now we try to answer some of these questions here. Is it? What is that? Yes. Okay. What is the upper one called? The scala vestibuli. What is the middle tube called? Scala media. What is the lower tube called? Scala tympani. Out of them, which of the tubes come under bony labyrinth now? Which of the tubes are the bony labyrinth? The scala vestibuli is bony labyrinth. Scala tympani is bony labyrinth. And scala media is membranous labyrinth. And already in the beginning I told you, bony labyrinth is filled with a fluid called perilymph. And whereas membranous labyrinth is filled with another fluid called endolymph. Now my question is answering your WhatsApp now. Yes. What is the fluid in the scala vestibuli?